I water the plants in my garden. She reads a book before going to bed. He enjoys playing chess in his free time. We take a walk in the park every evening. They practice their guitar skills daily. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The birds migrate during the changing seasons. The baby needs a clean diaper. The teacher explains the lesson clearly to the students. My sister plays the clarinet in the school band. I volunteer at the local community center. She writes a poem for her best friend. He runs marathons as a hobby. We have a family movie night on Fridays. They enjoy playing board games on rainy days. The river flows gently downstream. The waves crash against the cliffs. The plane flies at a high altitude. My parents love each other unconditionally. The cat catches mice in the backyard. I listen to podcasts during my commute. She practices martial arts for self-defense. He fixes a leaky faucet in the bathroom. We go for a bike ride in the neighborhood. They play basketball at the local court. The sun provides warmth and light to the earth. The birds build nests in the trees for their eggs. The baby learns to crawl and explore the world. The teacher assigns homework to the students. My sister takes swimming lessons at the pool. I study history to learn about the past. She enjoys painting landscapes on canvas. He works as a software engineer. We meet our friends for coffee every weekend. They like to watch documentaries about nature. The sun sets in a magnificent display of colors. The birds chirp melodiously in the morning. The baby needs a warm bath before bedtime. The teacher motivates the students to excel. My sister plays the violin in the school orchestra. I practice meditation to calm my mind. She designs websites for small businesses. He goes for a run in the park every morning. We organize a surprise party for our friend. They enjoy playing video games competitively. The moon shines brightly in the night sky. The stars twinkle above the city lights. The computer updates its software automatically. My friend shares her snacks with everyone. The baby takes her first steps with support.